Explain the process of digestion of food in mouth, stomach, and small intestine in human body. So first of all, we'll see what is digestion. Digestion is the breakdown of complex food components into smaller components that can be easily absorbed and assimilated by the body. So basically, digestion is nothing but breaking down of complex food components into smaller components. So now we will see how does this digestion process takes place in mouth. So basically the digestion starts from the mouth. In mouth, large food pieces are crushed with the help of our teeth and mixed with saliva secreted by the salivary glands using the tongue. So these salivary glands, they secrete an enzyme called salivary amylase. So basically this enzyme breaks down the starch to give sugar. Now we will see how the digestion takes place in stomach. So the muscular walls of the stomach help in mixing the food thoroughly with the digestive juices secreted by the gastric glands present in the wall of the stomach. So these glands, they release hydrochloric acid, a protein digesting enzyme called pepsin, and mucus. So basically these gastric glands, they release HCl and protein digesting enzyme called pepsin and mucus. So this mucus, it protects the inner lining of the stomach, and the HCl creates an acidic medium which facilitates the action of the enzyme pepsin. So that's how the digestion takes place in the stomach. Now coming to the small intestine, so it is the site of the complete digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Basically, the small intestine, it receives the secretions from the liver and pancreas for this purpose. So bile juice from liver makes the acidic food coming from stomach alkaline for facilitating the action of pancreatic enzymes. And this also helps in the emulsification of fats so as to increase the efficiency of enzyme action. So the pancreas secretes pancreatic juice which contains enzyme like trypsin for digesting proteins and lipase for breaking down emulsified fats. So basically, if we see the walls of the small intestine, it contain glands which secrete intestinal juice. So the enzymes present in it finally converts the proteins into amino acids, complex carbohydrates into glucose, and fats into fatty acids and glycerol. So that's how complete digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats takes place in small intestine.